Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see how we can test an bldc motor with a servo tester. Okay, so the required components are ESC, bldc motor, servo tester and a battery. Here the battery voltage tester was an optional one. So to perform the test, I built a mini rig, okay, and I connected the bldc motor to the rig with the help of some screws and nuts, and I also connected the ESC to the rig by using a tape, okay, and I connected the three phase wires of the ESC to the three phase wires of the bldc motor, and you can connect in however the manner you like, okay. For the test purpose, it's not mandatory to check whether the motor rotates in clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation. Now first check whether our battery has enough power in it or not. So I am checking it with the battery voltage tester. So connect it. So my battery was at around 80%. Now connect the XT60 converter of battery to ESC. So you can see I connect the battery to the ESC and ESC to bldc motor. Now we have BEC connector of ESC. Now connect the ESC to the servo tester. So as you can see, a clear markings, right? Yes, plus and minus symbol. Okay, so the white represents signal, the red represents plus, and the black represents minus. And we can see now we are in manual. I'm rotating the knob. You can see the motor rotating. That's it, and that's how you are going to test your bldc motor. And when you are going to purchase the components, buy from either Robodo or Electronicoms or Robot Banavo, like those, from those websites, before going for Amazon or Flipkart, because the component prices in these websites are much less than Amazon and Flipkart.